Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I want to show you how to make chocolate vegan cake with almond flour. My channel is called Lily and Peony. If you like this video, please don't forget to like and subscribe. To make these easy vegan chocolate cakes, I am starting with buttering 2 small ramekins. I butter this to make sure my cakes don't stick to the ramekins when they're done. Do be quite generous with the buttering. The full list of ingredients are in the description box below. In a larger bowl, I mix together some butter, some almond butter, some maple syrup, and a little bit of vanilla extract. Mix these ingredients together to combine. Then I add the dry ingredients. I start with some baking powder, some almond flour, some cacao powder, some chia seeds, and lastly, some oat milk. Once again, mix these together. When everything is well combined, the mixture is ready to be transferred to the ramekins. Then I bake these for around 20 minutes. If your cake is still squidgy to the touch, do leave it in the oven for a few more minutes. To make the chocolate cake drizzle, I simply combine some oat milk and some chocolate pieces. I microwave this for 20 seconds and then I drizzle it over the cake. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you liked this video. Bye-bye.